So this is a really cool mural here on the ground at the Nashville Airport, WSMV. You've got the Ryman Auditorium, and we are getting ready to head to Florida. Are y'all ready? Well, even though we are flying to Florida ultimately, we do have to have a layover in Atlanta, Georgia. So we've got about an hour and 7-minute flight, gate to gate. So we won't be up in the air very long. We'll land in Atlanta, which most Delta flights from Nashville do go through Atlanta. Of course, when in Nashville, they have a Goo Goo Cluster store. Let's see what type of Goo Goo Clusters they have. And of course, over here, hats, Predators, Titans. They have Goo Goo Cluster popcorn, Nashville hot cheddar popcorn. And you like Goo Goo Clusters, right?
They're my favorite ever.
And back here, they have the original peanut butter and the pecan. And these are cool. Little pecan truffles, kind of bite size. Right here is the Musicians Hall of Fame. It's currently not open because, I mean, we are here at 5:55 in the morning, but looks like a really cool spot. There's a couple of Stratocasters. And I would have assumed that we would be on one of the first flights, but we are at B1 and our plane has not yet arrived, so they must have some really early morning flights coming in here.
On behalf of this Atlanta-based crew, we'd like to personally thank you again for choosing Delta. You could have chosen any other airline, and we appreciate your loyalty and your business, and we look forward to serving you again in the very near future.
All right, so we have landed in Atlanta, and we are currently in Terminal A, and we have to take the underground train to Terminal B for our next flight. It is almost noon, so it's lunchtime. We're going to try a restaurant right here. If you're familiar with the Food Network, it is Cora's Kitchen. And I believe she was an Iron Chef, is that correct?
I think she might have been. It's been a long time since I've seen her cooking shows.
We'll have to look that up and verify it, and we'll let you know here in just a second. But let's check it out. So we looked it up here, and it turns out that Cora was on Iron Chef. So here is a look at the menu items. And everything is locally sourced, and right now they just have grilled cheese and burgers that are available on the menu for the time being. All right, so Jennifer got a burger, Gentry got grilled cheese, Henry got grilled cheese, you got potato chips, you got sweet potatoes, and then I got garlic spinach with my burger, and mushrooms. Jennifer, what did you think about Cora's Kitchen?
I thought it was pretty good. Like, especially for like airport food, airport food is not always the best.
Yeah.
And I thought it was pretty decent myself. I would eat it again.
Yeah? What do you boys think?
You both got the fries, they're pretty good.
What did you think, Henry or Gentry?
Not really sure.
And I have to agree with Gentry. Like, it was okay, but it's airport food, so you're not going to get the best quality at an airport. We have been to many restaurants at airports where they're great outside of the airport, and then in the airport they're just so-so. And that was kind of our experience here today. This is this one. So this is our next plane, Henry, that we're going to get on. That'll take us.
Tall up here.
Yeah, it is. We're really high, aren't we? That'll take us to Orlando, Florida.
And then we're gonna get a rental car, and then we're going to drive to our hotel. And then basically we're gonna get on a cruise after.
You've got the itinerary down, don't you? All right, so we're going down a huge escalator. I mean, huge. So I can hear the train coming, but I wanted to film the ceiling in this little area here. This is cool. Oh, and our train has arrived.
Yeah?
Henry, you like the train?
It's really fast.
You get used to it after being on.
So this little exhibit here is a walk through Atlanta history. Kind of just goes through the eras of Atlanta. Here's the Civil Rights era, the Global Gateway, which is 1973 to present day. Here you've got Mercedes-Benz Stadium, the Aquarium, World of Coca-Cola. We actually have a video on the World of Coca-Cola in our library. And of course, in 1996 when the Olympics came to Atlanta. And right here is the Atlanta airport. And you can't display Atlanta without talking about the traffic here. One of the busiest cities we've ever been to. Bumper to bumper. So there is Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Right here is Forward Atlanta. So there's Henry Grady. Henry.
That's my name. What is the first name?
All right. Next stop, Florida. And the benefit of this plane is it has a TV on the seat back versus having to watch everything on your phone. So pretty cool. All right, so we have made it to Orlando. They're advertising the new Epic Universe that just opened.
That's a new movie back there.
Sure is. Boys, you know you're in Orlando when you see that, right? Who is that?
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Hello.
But we're gonna go take a look at this right here. Check this out. This piece of art right here is from 1985 and it's called The Traveler.
Looks so real.
He's been resting in there for a long time.
That means he has to do a lot of stuff.
So as we're heading out to the rental car, we noticed the Royal Caribbean sign here. All right, so here is the first look at our room, the living room, kitchen area, 2 queen beds, TV. And then back here, we've got a sink, a bathroom, and we will have a full video that will come out later on this room because we've had a lot of people ask us, especially in our Utopia of the Seas video, like, what hotel are you staying at where you can see the cruise ship and you're next to it here in Port Canaveral? Well, it's Homewood Suites. And here is a prime example of the great views that you have here at the Homewood Suites. Check it out. The Disney Treasure is sailing out right out of Port Canaveral. We are going to eat at Grills, and there's actually 4 different restaurants along this strip. And there's another restaurant right back here in the blue building. So there are 5 different restaurants that you can choose from. The last time we sailed out of here, we went to Fish Lips. It was pretty good, but the menu here at Grills looks even better. So let's go check it out. So this is a view of our table here in Port Canaveral. What do you think? What do you think of our view?
It's a good view.
Nice breeze coming in. Let's take a look at the menu here. So here are the appetizers that they have here. And here are the chowders, classics, sandwiches, burgers, fish tacos. Over here are seafood specialties, kebabs, pasta. And if you're not into seafood, they do have a menu for you as well. And here are the signature sides. And especially since we're getting an appetizer, I doubt that we'll make it to dessert. But here are the desserts that they have. A wide selection, including key lime pie. All right, so for our appetizer, we ordered some voodoo wings with ranch. Henry, what do you think about the voodoo wings?
It's the best ever.
Gentry? Oh, caught him in mid-bite. Jennifer, what do you think?
I like it. I think it's really good. It has a good kick to it, but it's not like burn your mouth off or anything. It's like has flavor.
Yeah, they're not as hot as buffalo wings. Like we like the medium instead of the mild buffalo wings, and they're not as hot as that. Gentry, you're still eating, but thumbs up or thumbs down if you like it.
It's real messy.
It's definitely messy.
Yeah.
But do you like the flavor?
Here and there.
Here and there. Yeah, it's not as spicy, but it does have a little bit of a kick. The manager came out who actually took her order first on these, and she said that she's kind of a wimp when it comes to spicy stuff, and she thought they were really hot. I was actually a little concerned about us getting them for Henry, but Henry's chowing down on them. But I mean, he can drink salsa like right out of the jar. So
Salsa's easy to go.
So Henry got the kids grilled mahi-mahi, and the kids can choose whichever fish of the day that they want for the fish option. And he got coconut sticky rice and also the Tahiti taters, which is red skin potatoes with a Parmesan cream sauce. And then look at this nice garlic bread. Looks yummy, huh?
Yeah, I got some steak too.
Oh yeah, that's mahi-mahi fish.
Because I forgot what's my
And then I decided to get grilled fish as well, and you get to choose which kind, whatever they have for the day. And today they have the mahi-mahi, the cobia, which is what I got. Never tried that before, so I figured I'd try something new. And then they also had tuna. And then I got the coconut sticky rice and the Tahiti taters as well, with that yummy looking garlic bread. And Gentry got the grilled Reuben, and he opted for no sauerkraut, but everything else is on there. Thousand Island, Swiss cheese, looks like a good amount of meat there, and good toast on the bread, and it comes with chips and a pickle.
And I got the mahi-mahi with Tahiti taters, which is like a garlic parmesan, and then the island veggies. So we have returned back to our hotel. We all thoroughly enjoyed our fish dinner. Cobia fish had a good buttery taste to it, and we absolutely enjoyed the waterfront views there as well. So it is the next morning, and we are looking at Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas directly from our window.